Hello student, welcome to all of you again on behalf of our BookmarksEducare. So let's start our today's new topic, that is based on differential equation. So what is differential equation? Our differential equation that relates a function to its So, what is differential equation? A differential equation is a mathematical equation that relates a function to its derivatives. Now, let's talk about classification of differential equation. So, the differential equation can be classified on the basis of type, order, linearity, and homogeneity. So, first, part is based on type. Based on TYP, type. So, according to based on type, it can be classified into two parts. One is ordinary differential equation and other is partial differential equation. According to second part is based on according to order, based on so according to order, it can be classified into two parts. Classified into three parts. One is first order derivative, second is second order derivative, and third one is nth order derivative. Third part is based on linearity. So, according to the based on linearity, it can be classified into two parts. One is linear differential equation and another is non-linear differential equation. So based on linearity, it can be classified into two parts: linear differential equation and another is non-linear. And fourth part, that is not the last, but that is based on homogeneity. So according to based on homogeneity, it can also be classified into two parts. That is, one is homogeneous differential equation and another is non-homogeneous differential equation. This is all about classification of differential equations. So now we'll discuss about ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation, which is based on types. So what is ordinary differential equation? This involves with respect only one independent variable. So what is ordinary differential equation? This type of differential equation involves the derivative with respect to only one independent variable. Now partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation? This involves partial derivative with respect to two or more independent variable. So partial derivative is those type of differential equation. Partial differential equation are those type of differential equation in which involve partial derivatives with respect to two or more independent variables. Now come to the based on order. So according to based on order, there are three types of differential equation. One is first order differential equation. What is first order differential equation? The first order differential equation, first order, the highest order in the equation is the first order. So what is first order differential equation? The highest order derivative in the equation is the first order. Then what is the second order differential equation? The highest order derivative in the equation is the second order. And nth order differential equation are those differential equation in which the highest order is nth order. Based on linearity, there are two types of differential equation. One is linear and another is non-linear. What is linear differential equation? The dependent variable with its derivative appears only to first power and are not multiplied together. So linear differential equation. What is linear differential equation? The dependent variable with its derivative appear only to first power, and dependent variable and its derivatives are not multiplied together, and it can be expressed in the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, or dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. Now I am talking about non-linear. I will discuss about non-linear differential equation. Non-linear differential equation क्या होता है? Non-linear differential equation these are the equations that are not linear. For example, that the power of the or so what is nonlinear differential equation? These are not the nonlinear differential equation are not the equation that are not linear. For example, the power of the dependent variable or multiplied with its derivative for like y square y into dy by dx, etc. So the nonlinear differential equation are the equations that are not linear, first of all, and second, the power of dependent variable and or multiplied with its derivatives are also present in that equation. So those type of equation then will be considered as non-linear differential equation. According to based on homogeneity, there are also two types of differential equation. One is homogeneous differential equation and another is non-homogeneous differential equation. So what is homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation a homogeneous differential equation are the equation where the first order equation a homogeneous differential equation are the equation where a first order equation can be written as a function of y by x or x by y. That is meant dy by dx can be represented as a function of y by x or dx by dy can be represented as a function of x by y. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. Now what is the non-homogeneous differential equation? Non-homogeneous differential equation is an equation non-homogeneous differential equation is a linear differential equation where right hand side is a non-zero function. Now, most important things that we want to say, that that is about power and degree. Sorry, power and degree and power or degree and order. What is the order of differential equation? The order of differential equation is determined the order of differential is determined by the order by the highest order of the highest order derivative of the equation. And degree is also determined. What is the degree or power of a differential equation? This is nothing but the highest power. This is nothing but the power of the highest order derivative in the equation. So if we talk about this equation, dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1. Here, this is the first order differential equation, and the power of or degree of the differential equation is 1, because the power of dy by dx is 1. Second, d2y dx2 plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2 plus y is equal to 0. This is also the second order differential equation, because in this equation the highest order derivative is d2y by dx2, and the power of highest order derivative is also 1. That is why it is considered as second order differential equation of degree 2, of degree 1. Sorry. Now we are going to solve some problem which is based on differential equation. First problem is dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 4 by 3x plus 4y minus 5. So x plus 4y minus 5 into dy is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 4 into dx, 3x into dy plus 4y into dy minus 5 dy is equal to 2x minus 2x into dx minus 3y into dx plus 4 into dx. 3x dy plus 3y dx plus 4y dy minus 5 dy minus 2x dx minus 4 dx is equal to 0. So integrating on both sides, first of all, if it is taken as common, so x into dy plus y into dx plus 4y dy minus 5 dy minus 2x dx minus 4 dx is equal to 0. So 3 into d of x into y, this meant dx of xy. If we differentiate xy, then x into dy by dx, product rule of derivative, 1 into 1. dx of x means 1. So d of xy is equal to x dy plus y into dx. So instead of x dy plus y dx, we can put d of xy plus 4y dy minus 5y minus 5 dy minus 2x dx minus 4 dx is equal to 0. So integrating on both sides, so integration of 0 means constant. Integration of 0 means constant. So 3 into xy plus 4 into y square by 2 minus 5 into y minus 2 into x square by 2 minus 4x is equal to c. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer of this. This is the required solution of the differential equation. Another sum is this is the homogeneous differential equation. Why it is homogeneous? Why it is considered as homogeneous differential equation? Because first of all, 1 plus 3 into e to the power y by x into dy plus 3 into e to the power y by x 1 minus into 1 minus y by x into dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus 3 e to the power x y by x minus y by x by 1 plus e to the power y by x. This is the function of y by x. So dy by dx is a function of y by x. That is why it is considered as homogeneous differential equation. So let, for this sum we have to assume y by x is equal to v. So y is equal to vx. So differentiating on both sides, dy by dx is equal to v into ddx of x means 1 plus x into ddx of v means dv by dx. So we put v plus x into dv by dx instead of dy by dx. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus 3 into e to the power v 1 minus v, because y by x is assumed as v 1 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 into the power v. So x into dv by dx is equal to minus v minus v is taken on the right hand side. Then it will change its sign. So minus v e to the power v 1 minus v by 1 plus 3 into e to the power v. So minus is taken as common, v plus so LCM is 1 plus 3 into e to the power v. So v plus 3v e to the power v plus 3 into e to the power v minus 3v e to the power v. So this portion will be cancelled out. X into dv by dx is equal to minus v plus e to the power 3 into e to the power v by 1 plus 3 into e to the power v. So 1 plus 3 into e to the power v by v plus 3 into e to the power v dv is equal to dx by x. So integrating on both sides, if we derivative v plus 3 into e to the power v with respect to v, then we will get 1 plus 3v. So we can put d of, instead of 1 plus 3 into e to the power v, we can put, because ddx of v plus 3 into e to the power v is equal to 1 dd v of v plus e to the power v. Dd v of v means 1 plus 3 into dd v of e to the power v means e to the power v. V plus 3 into e to the power v is equal to integral of dx by x. So this means log of mod v plus is equal to log of mod, I can take integral constant, any integral constant that is log of mod c. So log of v means y by x plus 3 into e to the power y by x is equal to log of mod x into c. This is the formula of logarithm. Log of m into n means log m plus log n. So log will be cancelled out. So mod of y by x plus 3 into e to the power y by x is equal to squaring on both sides. Then mod will be cancelled out. So y by x 3 into e to the power y by x is equal to x into plus minus xc. So x into c. So y by x plus 3 into e to the power y by x is equal to x into k. We can assume c is equal to plus minus c is equal to k. So this is the figured solution of this equation. Next sum is log of dy by dx is equal to 4x minus 2y minus 2. So here base is in understood form. So nothing means base is e. So this is the Neptunian logarithm. That's why in calculus the basis of logarithm is always e. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power 4x minus 2y minus 2 e to the power 4x into e to the power minus 2y minus 2. So e to the power 2y plus 2 into dy is equal to e to the power 4x into dx. So integrating on both sides, it can be split as e square into e to the power y dy e to the power 4x into dx. So integrating on both sides, e square e to the power 2y by 2 is equal to e to the power 4x by 4 plus c. So this is the required answer of this solution of this differential equation, or you can say this is the solution. This is the solution of this equation. Next sum is based on also differential equation, that is 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. This is a linear differential equation. Why it is linear differential equation? Because I am showing you dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. So dy by dx dividing on both sides by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x square into y e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So algorithm ऑफ व्हाट इसका सॉल्व करने के लिए एल्गोरिथम होता है। नॉन लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए तीनों स्टेप्स होता है, और यू कैन से एल्गोरिथम। तो वो क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव, because this is a differential linear differential equation, because this can be written as dy by dx plus p of x into y plus is equal to q of x. Here you can see that p of x means function of x, this is the function of x, and this is also function of x, q portion, this is the function of x. So this can be written as in the form of this. So that is why it is considered as linear differential equation. So for solving this equation, we have three steps. That is, first we have to determine the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? So e to the power p dx, this is called integrating factor. If is integrating factor is denoted by if. So integral of, first of all we find out integral of p dx. Over here p means, here p means 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this is the integration of this portion is tan inverse x. So integrating factor is e to the power tan inverse x. Now this equation will be multiplied by the integrating factor. So e to the power tan inverse this is, so this equation, I am telling again, this equation will be multiplied by e to the power tan inverse x, that is integrating factor on both sides, to both sides, plus e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x whole square, because e to the power tan inverse x into e to the power tan inverse x means e to the power tan inverse x whole square, 1 plus x square. So instead of this portion we can write ddx of integrating factor means e to the power tan inverse x into y. If you derivative this portion, if you derivative this portion, you can get, you will be able to get reverse part. So ddx of e to the power tan inverse x into y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x whole square by 1 plus x square. So d of e to the power tan inverse x into y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x whole square into dx by 1 plus x square. So integrating on both sides, let tan inverse is tan inverse x is equal to z. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dz. So integral of d of e to the power tan inverse x into y integration e to the power tan inverse z e to the power z whole square dz, because instead of dx by 1 plus x square we can put dz, and instead of tan inverse x we can put z. So d of y into e to the power tan inverse x is equal to integral of e to the power 2z dz. So required solution of this equation is y into e to the power tan inverse x is equal to e to the power z 2z by 2 plus c. So we have to put the value of z. So this is the required answer. The last sum is also based on linearity. This is also the linear differential equation. 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx equal minus y. So 2x minus 10y cube is equal to minus y dx by dy. So y into dx by dy plus 2x is equal to 10y cube. So dx by dy plus 2 by y, dividing on both sides by y, 10y square. This is also in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. So integrating factor if is equal to e to the power 2 by y dy. So e to the power log of mod y e to the power log y square, that is meant y square, because this is the formula of logarithm. A to the power, if a to the power log m to the base a, so if the base of log and original bases are same, then result is a. So multiplying on both sides of the equation by y square means integrating factor. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से इक्वेशन का दोनों पोर्शन को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, राइट हैंड साइड एज वेल एज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दोनों को डिवाइड दोनों को ही मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो y square into dx by dy plus 2 into y square into x plus 10 into y square into y square. So ddx of instead of this portion we can write dy of integrating factor into x. Integrating factor is y square into x is equal to 10 y to the power 4. So d of x into y square is equal to 10 into y to the power 4 dy. So integrating on both sides we get xy square is equal to 10 into y to the power 5 by 5 plus constant. So the required solution of this differential equation is xy square is equal to 2y to the power 5 plus c. That's all about differential equation. Now students, I want to say something, that is, if you want to get solution over WhatsApp number, then this is our contact number. Through this number you can send your text on mathematical problem, and this is our also website from where you can get updates, and this is our YouTube channel. If you subscribe this channel, you will get lot of more interesting educational videos. And this is also our Facebook link and Instagram link. If you stay tuned with us through this link, Facebook links and Instagram link, you will be getting a webinar about our webinar information. You will be getting a lot of information about our educational project. So thank you all of you. That's all for the day.